Cough. Cough is defined as a loud expulsion of air from the lungs. In scientific terms, it is a reflex reaction to try and clear the airways of mucus, phlegm, a foreign body, or other irritants which may cause blockages. Most coughs are due to irritation of the airways by dust, smoke, or mucus dripping from the back of the nose. In some cases, a dry cough may be relieved by drinking a glass of warm water with a tablespoon of honey. A physician should be consulted if any cough persists for more than 2 or 3 days, or in severe cases where it is accompanied by symptoms such as chest pain, green phlegm, cough up blood, or difficulty in breathing. Here's the recommendations for the cough. 1. Sunflower. The flowers and the dried or fresh leaves of the sunflower are prepared as tea to take care of a cough. 2. Papaya. The ripe fruit is eaten along with the seeds, which is believed to be good for a cough. 3. Mulberry. The decoction of the fruits acts as an anti-inflammatory to the lungs and controls a cough. Use 6 to 15 grams to a liter of water. Take 5 to 6 glasses per day. 4. Fennel. A decoction of the fennel seeds promotes the removal of mucous secretions from the bronchial tubes and controls a cough. Use 5 to 6 glasses per day. 5. Garlic. Raw garlic juice is a good remedy for a mild cough or even a whooping cough. Take 1 tablespoon 4 to 5 times a day. If it is difficult to take, add a little honey to sweeten it. 6. Onion. Onion eaten raw promotes the removal of mucous secretions from the bronchial tubes and controls a cough. 7. Bale tree. The decoction of the leaves is an expectorant or promotes the removal of mucous secretions from the bronchial tubes and controls a cough. 8. Prickly pear. For the treatment of whooping cough, honey is added to the chopped, flattened stem, and the mucilaginous juice, appearing like syrup, is ready to be used. Use 1 tablespoon as and when needed. 9. Elephant's foot. Eating the boiled corn controls and cures a cough. 10. Bilimbi. The infusion of the flowers is given for a cough. 11. Silk cotton tree. A small portion of crushed fruit is boiled in water and used as a gargle to control a cough. 12. Indian coral tree. A decoction of the leaves may be used to take care of a cough. Use 4 to 5 glasses a day. 13. Turkey berry. The decoction of the fruits will take care of a cough. 14. Bitter gourd. The seeds in infusion are used for a cough. Courtesy of Nature's Remedies Made Simple by Dr. Joy Corian and Dr. John Perumal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell button.